In this video, I will show you how to make an email ID without using your phone number. First of all, you need to open a website called www.yandex.com. This is the website where you can create free email accounts without any phone number. So first of all, the first step is you have to search in the Google Yandex, yandex.com, yandex.com, and then click over here. This page will appears after clicking on the link, and you have to click on the mail. Okay, simply click on the mail, and sorry, I have already an email ID over here, and which is login, and now I'm just going to log it out, and I'm going to uh, log out this ID first. Sign out. Okay, so this page will appear to you, and then first of all you have to click on the mail. A new page will be open. You have to use an other account, okay, and register over here. This page will open when you click on the mail and registration. Okay, so you have to use your first name. For example, my first name is let's suppose Karachi edu, Karachi edu, Karachi edu. Okay, and enter your login over here. This is Karachi edu. Okay, the username is available, it will show over here, and if the username is not available, it will also give you some suggestions like this. Let me show you. Karachi, yes, this will give you the suggestion. Sorry, but this username is already taken, and here are the few suggestions, but we have already chosen a good login ID, Karachidu. Okay, and then enter your password. Okay, and now this is the option where yandex.com is asking for your phone number, and as we have already mentioned that we don't want to use our phone number, so therefore we have to click over here. I don't have a mobile phone. Click here and use a secret question. For example, your favorite computer game, and my favorite computer game is Counter Strike or PUBG. Okay, and enter the character Instagram 20m. Instagram space 20m. Okay, and then click on the register. Accept the policies. You have entered in wrong character. Okay, try another. Expenses swing. So be careful, this is case sensitive. Okay, once again I have entered the wrong number. VoiceHalf. Let's see. I think still this is wrong. Okay, different image. At 50 country. Okay, 50 country and question mark. Okay, enter. Accept it. Yes, this is accepted, I think. Okay, now this is fine. You don't need to actually use the space, and you just have to simply type the words shown in the given box. Okay, now our email ID is also created without any phone number, and this is our email ID. Okay, our email ID is Karachi edu at Yandex. So first of all, you have to copy this email ID and open Facebook page, and then you have to create uh, Karachi edu, and now over here you have to use an email ID. Click here and paste your email ID, Control V. Also click here, paste your email ID, Control V, and use your password. Okay, now you have to use your date of birth, for example 13th April 2099. Okay, choose mail and sign up. Okay, confirmation email will be sent to your Yandex email ID. Go to your inbox and refresh the page. Click on the inbox. Wait for the email ID from the email received from the Facebook. Enable OK. Yes, social network. A new tab is created over here, and a new section is created over here, social network, and this is the Facebook confirmation code. And now you have to confirm account. Okay, click here, and then you have to add a shortcut, not now. Okay, now your Facebook email ID is created without using any phone number. Hope that I hope that this tutorial will help you so much. And for such tutorials, I hope you subscribe to the channel and keep following, and we will update you with the different and more